lives to liberate Europe. Ta ló máa fáwa ní liberation? Ta ló máa dúró when the time comes to support that the Yoruba people do not become the past? That is the reason why we will celebrate Oloye Igboho on a daily basis. Because he has stood out of millions of Yoruba people to stand in the face of the evil Fulanis that have destroyed and killing the Yoruba people on a daily basis. That is the reason why you must support Yoruba nation. Because the French citizen, Iluti Wanopelogbe, at some point, if you have the opportunity, on a day like this, which is the 6th day of June every year, in 1944, there was a lot of activities that liberated people. Who is going to liberate the Yoruba people? That is the reason why you must put all your effort and your time and everything you have to make sure that you support this movement. Because liberation is not going to come without and sacrifice. And I'm not talking about killing each other. We will sacrifice with our voice, with our money, with our time. You will have sleepless nights. Ni soon, 8 hours, if you want to liberate yourself from the shackles of the 1914 amalgamation, just like it happened in 1944. Because 1944, people rose to defeat the Nazis that were killing the French people. Some of you are sitting back because could consign it. Some of you are waiting because it is not yet time. While millions of Yoruba people are being massacred and killed on a daily basis. When are you going to rise up and also be involved in the Yoruba struggle? Don't sit back. It is everybody's responsibility, just like the French people continue to say thank you to the heroes and the heroines that made them to be liberated today. Liberation is not going to come without sacrifice. France. That is why you need a Shanghai visa to travel through French country. Because àwọn kan ló liberate wọn, àwọn kan ló sacrifice ayé wọn kí ìwọ náà fẹ́ fi lọ gbé níbẹ̀. So when we talk about liberation and the self-determination, some of you always think that it is a joke. Today is a big day. It only moved Joe Biden to leave America and travel all the way to France. It is an important day. It is called the D-Day. Níjọ́ wo ni Yorùbá náà máa ní D-Day and land so that we can be free from the shackles of the West. That is the message this morning. Don't sit back. Owó ló ní, get involved. Knowledge ló ní. Don't wait until we are all eliminated by the agenda of the Fulanis that is there. Gbogbo aláìmọ̀ agenda yẹn wà. But we live in denial because we are waiting for somebody or something to happen. We will all have to be involved, just like those that are getting involved supported it in 1944, June precisely. Let's first go through the history, because anything might come. Many Yoruba people want me to throw away the history of where we started from. And maybe I should remind you again this. Ẹ sọ pé kò ní wá sí ìmúṣẹ, Yoruba people will be free. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún gbọ́ pastor ilé nǹkan sí, so that because it is still a negotiation, as Baba Kitoye said, it is still dialogue. Dialogue now. Kó tó di kó máa late. Dialogue now. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́n tí pastor yìí sọ. Ẹ má dialogue.
Dialogue now.
No, don't let them dialogue. Ẹ jẹ́ kó má dialogue. It might be too late for dialogue. Àwọn tẹ́ fẹ́ dialogue wọ́n lè náà wọ́n gbọ́ mọ́. Ẹgbọ́n tí pastor yìí sọ.
Dialogue now. I repeat it again. I'm not an evil man, but I'm telling you what I'm shown in the spirit. What? I'm seeing great people, important people in this nation coming together and saying, now, okay, we want to sit on the table, let us talk. But the people you want to talk with are saying, it's too late. Please, dialogue now. The days ahead are evil. Dialogue now. This is not a cry of a baby. It's a cry of an adult. I repeat it again. Dialogue now. The Bible says, blessed are the peacemaker, for they shall be called the children of God. Please, every authority, there come a time when a revolution is about to take place. The power of God, bomb, and bullet cannot hold an ideology. Please, dialogue now. This is not the time of I have bullet, I have gun, I have bomb. This has nothing to do with bullet and bomb. If you know what I'm seeing in the realm of the spirit, everyone in federal authority should take the Biafra agitation serious. If you are once a founding father of this nation, sit down around the table and listen to your children. Dialogue now. This is not the time to arrest anybody. It's the time to hear the cry of the people. Dialogue now. Because it's going to be the last resultant solution at the end. But when you're asking, when the king comes down from his throne and he's saying, I'm ready to talk, and everybody's throwing stone at you, then you will know that it is important to dialogue with honor and prestige and go out and there is peace in the land. Dialogue now. I repeat it again.
Let's hope that the government will take heed to dialogue.
Ajijagba'ra Media. Self-determination is not a crime. Ajijagba'ra Media. Self-determination is not a crime.